Right, come on in.
What are you wearing?
Well, I'm ready for dinner, aren't I?
It's just me and my mates. And...
No, I'm coming, aren't I?
I've got a bunch of fussy eaters heading over to the house. To be quite honest, I need a dish that is going to out-sparkle my dad's outfit. So I've ordered HelloFresh to help me out. You can pick from over 35 recipes each week to choose from. Everyone is catered for, even my mates.
There's only 4 buns here. 3 people coming, right?
Yeah.
And you, that's 4.
So what are you having for dinner?
You know, I'm really upset about not being invited to dinner. I thought I was part of his mate circle.
Right, let's get cooking.
Get the rosemary leaves off of their stalks. Look, there's a quick way to do this. Like that.
That's a dad thing.
Shall I show you how to speed that up?
No, you just read the card, all right? Maybe I'll show you how to read quicker. This is the thing I love with HelloFresh. Add a little bit of a twist, apple in your burger.
You seen this?
Go on. Yeah, I've seen that. What else you got?
Hang on, I can do it.
Whoop. Oh, yeah. That would have been great at a fair in 1912. Pork mince in a mixing bowl. Bit more. Yeah. Bit more.
Bit more?
Bit more. Oh, it's too much now.
No, it's not. When you put that burger in, you want it to go tss. Do you remember the first time you ever ate meat?
Yeah, when was it?
Now, Roman grew up veggie in my house, and I think it was about the age of 4 that we took him to a party. I look over, you have got barbecue sauce all over your face, just enjoying this massive barbecue spare rib. His eyes rolled backwards because he was enjoying them so much.
And that's when you knew, you were like...
He's a meat eater.
Yeah. Oh, my word, that smells good.
Oh, we're making the salad dressing now. I'm going to put the sugar into the bowl with lemon juice. I've got to say...
Oh, my...
What's wrong with you?
The lemon juice in my cup.
Get the buns, right?
Come on, Dad, let's dish it up. Look at that.
Making my mouth water, I'll tell you that. 2, 3, 4. Where's mine?
Here you are, take that top one. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Go.
It looks good.
With a wedge. Yeah, it is decent. That is very good.
Why not dish up something delicious for your mates?
Click the blue button below to get your special discount.
Dinner is solved.